Hey guys, it's Mrs. Coon walking you through week 5 for English. So this week looks a little bit different than the past weeks. So please make sure that you are really following the schedule for this week because I have it broken down step by step. So let's look at the schedule for the week. For Monday, I want you to note there in the red, we are not using our writer's notebooks this week. So please make sure you follow the directions carefully. What we are going to be using this week is a one-act play graphic organizer, and this is what it looks like, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about it. But that's what we're going to be focusing on. So this week and next week, we are going to be focusing on one-act plays. So for Monday, what I want you to do is view this screencast, so you're doing that now, and then I want you to complete Part A, the Please Do Now of the graphic organizer. So that will be this organizer, which is posted here in Google Classroom, all right, the one-act play graphic organizer. So you're going to be completing the Please Do Now question, which it says, if given the choice to read an article or a play about an event, which would you prefer and why? And write me 3 lines in that box. Okay. Then if we look at Tuesday, I want you to go back to that graphic organizer and I want you to complete Part B. So Part B says, pick your preferred acting company. So you get to decide that this week and next week, do you want to work by yourself or do you want to work with somebody else or maybe 2 other people from the class? So that's something you have to decide. If you choose option 1, which is to work by yourself, then you're going to be reading 2 plays this week. If you choose to work with somebody else or 2 other people from the class, then your group's going to be reading 3 plays together. You can do that over the phone, FaceTime, Zoom, whatever you choose to do. Okay, so you need to do that, and that's Part B. And then I want you to start in Part C, which is to read and record your thoughts. So when you get down here to Part C, there are 5 one-act plays that you're going to choose from to read. And remember, if you are working by yourself, you're going to pick 2 of those. If you're working as a group, you're going to pick 3 of them. All of these are posted in Google Classroom right here as a PDF. So you just have to find the ones you wanted to read, click on them, open them, and you'll be able to read them. Remember, if you guys put that text-to-speech option on your Chromebooks, which I know a lot of you already had, but I gave those directions out at the very beginning of the Learning at Home. If you have that on there, then that will read these one-act plays to you. Okay, none of them are too terribly long, but if it's something you'd like to listen to, then you need to make sure you have that text-to-speech on your Chromebook. So on Tuesday, you're going to pick one of those plays to start reading. Once you read the play, you're going to come down here to Part D. You're going to put the title of the play. You're going to tell me how many scenes did it have? How many characters did it have? Did it have any stage directions? Okay, stage directions are the directions that the author gives in the play for what the character needs to do. So it tells them basically how they should act the play. How should they say a part, or what should they do, maybe how they're supposed to be feeling. And then 2 or 3 additional comments. What was unique? What did you like? Maybe what did you find interesting? What were you surprised by? Okay, in there. So once you read a play, come down, complete a row. That's what you're going to be doing the rest of the week. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you're going to be completing the reading of 2 or 3, depending again if you're working by yourself or with a group, of the one-act plays. You're going to be completing this very short organizer down here in Part D. And then when you are completely finished, I need you to complete Part E, which is just answering the question, which was your favorite play and why. Respond in 4 to 6 sentences. And what are 2 ideas you have for your own one-act play? Because the following week, May 11th, we are going to be starting to work on a one-act play. When you're done with that, please make sure that you submit this entire graphic organizer on Google Classroom just like you usually do. And that reminds you down here on Friday to make sure you do that. So this week is a little different. It shouldn't take you very long at all. You could probably get it done in 1 or 2 days, but if you'd like to break it apart in a couple days, you can do that. If you have any questions, remember that I have Zoom office hours on Monday at 1 o'clock where you can jump on the link right here and I will help you out. Remember that everything you need is right here in Google Classroom, your schedule, your document, and all the one act plays for this week. I hope you guys have fun reading them. There's some really interesting one act plays. And remember, if you have any questions, just email me or jump on my Zoom on Monday at 1. Bye, guys.